If you're looking for the best psychology courses online on Coursera, this video covers the top 3 options based on ratings, reviews, popularity, and learning value. Before we begin, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description. Right now, you can save 40% on your first 3 months. Coming in at number 3 is Introduction to Cognitive Psychology and Neuropsychology from the University of Cambridge. This course has a 4.6 out of 5 rating and explores how the brain processes memory, learning, perception, and behavior. You'll also gain an introduction to neuroscience and cognitive psychology, making it a great next step after learning the basics. At number 2 is The Science of Mind and Decision Making from the University of Cambridge. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.6 out of 5 rating. You'll learn how people think, make decisions, develop emotionally, and process information. It's an excellent choice if you're interested in cognitive science and human behavior. Taking the number 1 spot is Introduction to Psychology from Yale University. This highly popular course has an outstanding 4.9 out of 5 rating with more than 33,000 reviews. It covers the foundations of psychology, including human development, learning, memory, mental health, psychotherapy, and critical thinking. It's widely considered one of the best introductory psychology courses available online. Here's something many learners don't realize. Individual psychology courses usually cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to complete several courses, those costs can add up quickly. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. You get unlimited access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from world-class universities and industry experts. For a limited time, you can also get 40% off your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. That brings the price down to just $35.40 per month instead of the regular $59. Check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.